Hey guys, Becki-licious here. I just wanted to show a really quick little fun dessert that I love to do. Try to be a little bit on the healthier side. So in between my baking, I try to slip this in there. So I hope you like it. And don't forget to like and subscribe and share with all your friends. So here we go. So just basically yogurt and your type of, I love vanilla yogurt. For me, it's gotta be vanilla yogurt, but you know, you do you is my motto. So we're just gonna get this poured into the bowl. And like I said, I love doing this. I don't care if it's summer or if it's winter, it doesn't matter to me. It's just so good and so refreshing. I absolutely love it. At the moment, I have all different types of berries. Sometimes I just do blueberries, but I happen to have everything right about now. So we're gonna throw some raspberries in there because raspberries are so good. Blueberries are my fave, for sure. I love my blueberries. And as a matter of fact, my pups love their blueberries too. So I'm gonna throw some of those in there. And then I already have my strawberries all ready to go because they're yum as well. There we go. And then for my topping, sometimes I get lucky and I find these yummy glazed pecan thingies. These are the bomb for sure. So you're just gonna layer a little bit of those inside. Look at how yummy that looks. It looks so good. If you're a honey person, you could drizzle some honey on it. To me, this is just enough, literally just enough, because it's yum, it's refreshing. It's, like I said, it's the bomb. So there you go, cheers. Gotta love it, gotta love it. So there you go, something quick and easy to make, and you can do it any old time. So thanks for joining me. I can't wait to see you next time. Bye.